Hi guys, this is my hand generator. You can see this motor. The wire goes to a small slide switch, then to the light. Now it's powered by me, that is I'm the battery. Now this is a plywood. Now you can see the light is over there. One tiny yellow bulb. Now this is from my old toys, so I just thought, okay, I would use this. Now this is a big pulley which I made from a cardboard, painted one, and the bottle bottom I just cut. This is the handle. So I power it, the light turns on. Now we'll see how the light turns on. Okay, you're going to see how it's going to light up. Lights off and so you saw how it worked. Now I'm going to show you how basically this works. So there's a handle, the pulley. Now the handle you have to turn. So I'm basically the battery. And this is the motor. So it spins, then spins this tiny green pulley, then it's the electricity. Okay. Now this is the pulley. Now as it rotates, it creates electricity. Then it goes to the switch, and the positive goes there to the light. So the switch is for, I just wanted to add a switch because I'm not using those switches. Okay, thanks guys. See you next time.